I am a big fan of keyboards. I've reviewed a couple, I've loved customizing them, and I've had fun with many of them. But there was always something missing, and it's that I never built one. Now, building a custom keyboard is not an uncommon thing. A lot of people do it nowadays. It's one of the main advertising points by Wooting, is that you can customize it, and I have customized my own Wooting as well. Here's my Wooting. It's in a Ducky 1.3 mini yellow case. I still have the Wooting keycaps. I change those very often, but the other keycaps are from the Ducky keyboard. Not just that, I've also changed the switches to the Black Jade Pros. I really like them. They're very sharp, they're very poignant, if that's the correct word. Like, listen to this. I really like that type of sound, and the keyboard itself, it sounds decent enough. But I already had the keyboard done. I just needed to replace the case and the keycaps, which that's not really hard. So what I did was I ordered a couple of parts. I bought the GMK87, a pretty common thing. I really liked that it had a display. And of course, one of the best parts about many of these keyboards, the knob. Even though I never use it, it's a very nice novelty, and I think it adds a very nice flair. Then I also got the GMKFans KTT Kang White V3 switches, and also some GMK keycaps. So this is how the end result looks. It's very beautiful, it's very nice. I really like how the, I don't even know what color that is, contrasts with the white. It's very beautiful. But assembling it all together, that's easy. So what I did was lube all the switches. All 84 switches hand lubed. A very long process that took me 3 separate days, but that was also because I was sick. When I woke up, sat down, I was just dying. I could not do that thing. But when I finally was done, it was so worth it. I also put in some silicone padding and tape modded it, so the keyboard sounds very thocky. And unfortunately, it's not for me. I didn't make this for myself, I made this for a special someone. The only problem with the switches and the keycaps was that the switch for the spacebar was too weak. So I changed it to a gateron yellow. It's fine. It actually, So yeah, my overall experience, I do not recommend lubing. Leave a comment below with how you think the keyboard sounds, what could I have done different, and join my Discord. There's a special event going on. You might want to participate.